Welcome, welcome. I want to take a few minutes to just talk about trench coats. This is the season of trench coats. Like right now, just make them, make one, make quick. So I want to go through a few pictures because I really want to give you some confidence that you can make this up and it just isn't going to take that long. So you're going to scale it to the level of your sewing. So I went through this article and it was 18 best trench coats for fall 2025, and I just picked a few of them because I really want you to see that this can be really simple and we've got great fabric for it. All right, so let's start off first by showing you our trench coat. Our trench coat pattern, this is Barbara's Trench 1925, and I showed you the front cover and then I've also shown you the back cover. And the reason I want you, the line drawing, the reason I want you to do this is I want you to understand that where center front is so that you can make some of these pattern changes. Center front, the collar, if you notice, if you look at the detail, the collar goes right to center front. The lapels, if you close them up, they go past center front. So keep that in mind. The lapels go past center front, but the collar stops just at center front. We're going to use this information for a little bit longer. This first picture we're going to look at is just a really basic classic trench coat. It's Loro Piana. Look at the price. We have Loro Piana red fabric in right now. You could make a $4,000 trench coat for $200. I mean, it's crazy the price differences. So I listed the fabrics that we've got there so that you can see this is a current fresh trend that's out there right now. Plus, you would have it forever. You can just wear it and enjoy it. This next one I wanted to show you is this cropped, kind of like what I have. I have a belt on. I made this trench coat 5 or 6 years ago. I wear it every season. Every season there's a place for me to wear this crazy wild trench coat. I pair it down with jeans and I just love it. And I get a zillion compliments on it. Maybe not because they like it, but it's maybe the brightest. Trench coats are classic. It doesn't matter how wild or tame they are, they're just classic. All the ones I'm showing you are kind of tame, but I just want you to see that you can have just a lot of fun with them. So this cropped trench is just a shorter version, and if you notice, it's the same length as the sleeves. So when you put your arm down by your side, that's where you want the trench coat to end, is where the sleeves end. Mine's a little bit shorter. Okay, this next one, I want you to notice, here's why I told you about the buttons, because this has button down right at center front. There is no overlap like a classic trench, but it still looks great and it's still actually considered a trench coat. All those details have been taken away. So it's a great way to start because you could do the collar, you could do sleeves, you could do just the simplest parts, and you could see how easy coat making is. I remember the very first time I made a coat, I thought, oh my gosh, this was really fun. Like, I'll never buy another coat. I'll always make it. And so finding the fabric is fun. It's just fun from start to finish. Single-breasted, so that means it goes right down center front, add a buttonhole extension plus a seam allowance, and you've got it. And you do the same thing to your facing. This one I pulled out because I love it. It's in a faux leather. We've got a faux leather, a blue, a Brandon Maxwell right now that is really beautiful. It's a blue color and it's lovely. So you might consider that faux leather. It's a great look. Again, you don't have to have all the details. You can leave out and just use as many as you want. And this last one is denim. And I just put up denims this morning. So you could have a beautiful, we've got black, we've got brown, we've got all kinds of beautiful denims. And I wanted you to see how much fun they are. All right, so this is the time to do trenches. Pay attention to the details. Figure out how many you want, how many you don't want. But this is trench coat time. 'Tis the season. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.